Hi guys, welcome to the first class of this course. Today we will be talking about references.
So, I find very important having the right reference before starting a painting because it can really make a difference in the final result. So, what I pay attention to when searching for my image is mainly the lighting, the camera angle, and the colors. And now we're going to talk a little bit about each one of those. I like working with images that have a strong light presence. In these examples I'm showing you right here, I like how the light forms interesting shapes on the skin, defining the volume of the subject and creating a contrast between light and dark. Here, another example where the light is coming from behind actually, creating something similar to an aura, a brighter outline going around the face and the hair of the girl. Here instead, we're looking at some poses and camera angles. A more particular positioning of the subject or an unusual camera angle can make a painting much more interesting, creating cool perspective and shadows. That doesn't mean I wouldn't draw a character that is just looking straight. I often do. And it's great practice if you're trying to focus more on the details and the colors. But I do try to look for unique angles and shots, trying to capture more of a movement and less of a staticness. Here is an example of two of my artworks. The one on the left has more of an angled position, which in my opinion gives it more life to it. And then the one on the right instead, it's very solid and looking straight. The last aspect we're looking at is hard shadows. I'm going to fill in those areas with a brush so that we can identify what's not being covered by the light. I think that having an image with the hard shadows like these ones creates a great contrast in terms of colors, especially between light and dark areas, and it helps the artwork to feel more three-dimensional. When we're having to work with a flat image instead, with no light coming from any direction in particular, it becomes more challenging to get the same look and volume.